Okay, this is the bag of dreams. Absolutely gorgeous mulberry buffalo leather Alexa. It's an oversized Alexa in this gorgeous creamy stony colour. It has got the gorgeous plaited leather top handle, and it has got the long strap, which is removable and also adjustable. So if I come back here, I am a UK 8'10", about 5'4", so that gives you an idea. This is on the medium height setting. It comes with mulberry dust bag and the care docs, and it's just gorgeous. It's soft buffalo leather, really, really lovely, and the icing on the cake is the hardware, which is rose gold. I mean, how gorgeous is that? Rose gold hardware. Absolutely beautiful. You can see on the studs there is, well, I hope you can see the mulberry tree logo. Show you the back and the base. Okay, so on the front we have of course got the postman's lock and the double magnetic straps. Let's open and show you the inside. You've got the suede flap lining, and then the fabric lining on the inside, huge, big, cavernous space. There is one zipped pocket here, and then on this side there is one flat pocket, okay? Condition-wise, we've called it very good exterior, very good interior, and very good hardware. There is just signs of wear throughout. There's nothing majorly wrong with it, just signs of wear. So on the front of the bag, you can see, for example, here, there's a little mark. There's a little mark just there, and there's a little mark on the back. But when you look at the bag as a whole, they don't really stand out or make much difference. There's signs of wear on the bottom corners, which is obviously standard for a used bag. The hardware, let's show you that plaque. And then the underside, again, you can see signs of wear around those edges. I'll show you that receiving part as well. You can see signs of wear around the edge. On the flap, there is a little mark just here. The lining inside here is completely clean, no biro, no nothing. It's completely clean on the inside. There is just a problem with the flat pockets. Can you see here the stitching is coming undone? And it's just that leather bit there. The stitching's coming undone, that should be fastened there. So no major issue with the bag, which is why we've called it very good condition, but obviously I can't call it excellent because it has those issues with it. Really gorgeous, really soft leather. As I say, I'm properly tempted by this. I really, really like it. On the comments below, there is a link that will take you straight to this on our website. If you sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, we will send you a discount code for 10% off. Also in the comments below is a link to our Instagram. Please follow us on Instagram, and then you'll be able to get more regular updates of our Armcandy.